Hello, we are on to day 9 of 24 days of Keycaps. Today we'll be making a Reindeer Duckyo. I released my Duckyo candy collection a couple weeks ago and I absolutely love making them little ducks and thought I'll make a Christmassy version of it today. I'm really enjoying this challenge so far. It's such a fun way to celebrate the season while experimenting with new designs. Some days it gets a bit of a rush to get everything done, but the creativity and joy makes it all worth it. And that's it for today's keycap. If there's anything you'd like to see me attempt to make, please feel free to leave a comment down below.